Viktor Pudwil. I am from On Semiconductor and we are here on the Electronica 2014. I'm an automotive group and we have here a demonstrator for a special solution which is not based just on discrete devices or motor control devices, but also with a more integrated power device. We call it IMST. So it's a special kind of medium power module. As you can see here, this is a HVAC motor control stuff, so it can be used also for engine cooling, but it's mainly optimized for HVAC application. Usually there's a motor control solution there with usually 6 MOSFETs and an IC that controls the PWM, the speed and all these things. So we have the discrete device as such. For example, here this is a motor driver called L8907, plus the accompanying MOSFETs which can be adjusted to the specific need of the motor you are using. That can vary between 80, 100 up to 200 watts, up to the application you are using. So, and what we're doing here is that the regular discrete solution with the microcontroller, with the discrete, with other electronics, we are able to make this ECU, which controls the whole application, on a module substrate. We call it IMST, and this can give the application a huge advance in terms of reducing the size and the components you have to deal with in your logistics chain and so on and so on. So later on you can see, when we show you the details, how the module looks like with the leads you have to connect, and you have to connect to the cooling for the system as such, against the original PCB with a lot of discretes, as I said, up to 6 MOSFETs, reverse protection, other protection devices for the signal path, and so on and so on. At the end of the application, you will see on top, we did it as a kind of reference design. You see that the leftover of the GPC, which is just some copper wires, using the module from us, plus some very few external EMC devices like a capacitor, an inductor and a smaller capacitor, and that's it. So this gives to the customer give a very interesting system cost solution, plus the applications. Thank you.